Hey, what's up guys? Rob here with Roland Sands Design, and we're gonna walk you through our all new Sector modular riser system. This is a new product line that we're getting ready to drop. Really cool system that's gonna allow riders to dial in their hand positioning from anywhere from a 2.5-inch rise all the way up to 13 inches in rise, straight and pullback options. So guys running ape hangers, moto style bars, whatever the case may be, we've got you dialed. It's also gonna come with a few different options for gauge relocations for your touring bikes, your bagger guys, as well as some soft tail applications. This stuff is designed, engineered, and made right here in Long Beach, California. Let's jump into it. All right, so we just finished up this install on this Road Glide here. This is our Sector riser system. This is the 8-inch setup with pullback and a single top bar mount. It's also available in a double top bar mount. This also has our gauge relocator system on it. This is a really cool product because it actually has 3 areas of adjustment. You have your lower clamps on the lower part of the riser that allows you to adjust your height. Then you have a bottom pivot and a top pivot right here behind the actual mount that really allows you to dial in depending on what system you go with. Gives you maximum visibility of not only your gauges, but also your infotainment system. This whole setup is available now on RolandSands.com. Thanks for stopping by.